2, 1. Okay, I've started. All right, so what I have here is a CRUD project, so it pretty much makes use of Django and HTMX. So what I've got here is I've got to create, read, update, and delete. So it's pretty much got all those functions. So as you can see here, the stuff that it takes in, or the applications that it uses: first name, last name, gender, age, major, and profile image. So onto like the creation part of it, let's say for example, for creations, I've got Aiden, for example, then I got Robert, gender, age. So as you can see here, I'm pretty much typing out everything here, right? And then what I'll do is I'll go select an image. So I'm selecting an image. As you can see here, it's being linked into the file explorer for image wise, being linked to that. So go to HTMX and then download image. As you can see, it downloaded image here. So Aiden Roberts, Aiden, first name, last name Roberts, gender male, age 19, major computer science, profile image, choose file, images 2.jpg. And then I'm going to save this. So as you can see here, I updated that. As you can see here, I updated the students app to include this profile here. If I want to make edits to it, I can. So let's say I want to change the name, right? So I can make an edit here. Aiden, and then let's say for example I want to add Jaden, or I want to change the name. I can do that. So as you can see here, I didn't upload a new. I didn't upload a new one. I'm editing the one that I used already. Roberts Cabin, male. Then let's say for example I want to say 20, and then but I retain computer science. I can do that. I press the tick, and as you can see here, I edited the this column here, the profile that I have here. But if I want to delete it, I can do so. So I've got these images, and then I delete it here. Then as you can see, an alert has been prompted. The alert is, "Are you sure?" So that's the alert. Then I press OK, and then it's been deleted. So as you can see, I got my creations, readings, updates, and deletes. So on the back end, what I've got here is got a asgi.py, I got a wsgi.py. These two are responsible for my terminals being able to run my actual project. You know what I mean? So this, because what my terminal wants is, let me go to the terminal now. Okay, so I'm there now. So what my terminal wants is using production WSGI or ASGI server instead. So that's what you use for my URLs, right? It pretty much stores all the URLs that I have. So obviously what it does is it imports all so from my views page, right? Pretty much imports all the views that I have on that page and imports it to the main configuration folder. So from student.views imports homepage view, get students list, add student submit, add student cancel, edit student submit, delete student, and then I got my URL patterns. See path admin.site.urls, path homepage view as view. So these are all the paths that my front end will utilize. All these are all the URL patterns that my front end utilize for on the URL section of the front of the web page to pretty much get to the different parts of the patterns that we have here. So got admin. So the admin URL is responsible for my Django admin. So that's pretty much like what you see with, let's say for example you want to go to your admin, you want to go to your Django admin, Django site admin. See you want to go there, right? As you can see here if you want to, then you enter your Django administration, right? Okay. So I need to create a super user for that. I was in general, as you can see here, the point I was trying to make was if you want to create a path to the admin site, but if you want to get to the admin site, what's what URLs does is pretty much views the URL for the admin site, and then you path homepage view as view, name home, right? So that's pretty much your homepage view. So your homepage view is what you see here. It's the view that you pretty much come across as soon. Oh, sorry. It's right. So let me delete this. I'm gonna delete this URL. Okay, delete that because instead of doing localhost 8000, I did localhost only. So I deleted 8000. Right. So localhost colon 8000. Okay, so that's loading. So it's loading. So immediately, if you, it's gonna immediately go to my home page view, and then I'm gonna get back to my home page view just now. Then path get student list, add students. So that's pretty much part of the CRUD. So that's pretty much adding. So that's creation. Add student submit. So that's submitting. That's submitting your or pretty much like updating your student list. Student cancel. That's canceling your student delete, edit students, then edit students. So that's pretty much CRUD that you have.
Okay. Thank you so much. Wait, just for future reference, right?
Okay.
You don't have to show your code. You just have to show the functionality.
Oh.
The demonstration is something really short.
Okay, no problem. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
But you have everything on the front end, so that's good.
Okay, no
The
problem.
only time you'll test the back end, well, that's still not showing the code, but you test the back end with your Node.js and Marin Stack.
Oh, okay, no problem. No problem.
Okay.
Right,
But
no
thank
problem.
you so much.
You're welcome. You're welcome, Jada. Thank you.
It looks good, Ganedo.
Thank you, Baba. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay.
Right.
Have a good one.
You too, Jada. You too. You too.
Okay. Bye.
Bye bye, Jada. Thank you. Bye, Baba. Thank you.
Bye, Ganedo.
Bye.
Jada. Yes. I meet with you in the general meeting room. Yes, it's good.